Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to print money with Seedance 2.0, which was just released and is able to make amazing videos. I'm going to get rid of my arcade subscription. That's how good this is. This is a game changer as far as AI ad creation goes. Let me show you some of the ads I've been making this week real quick.
$43,000 back from the government, and he almost didn't claim it.
Been building out our software platform for about 2 years, spending serious money on developers, testing the whole thing. My accountant never mentioned it once. Mate, what are you paying on your car loan right now? I'm on like $40 a month, I think. Something like that.
These are crushing for me right now, and they're super easy to make in Higgsfield with Seedance 2.0. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make these really quickly and easily. So what is Seedance 2.0? It's owned by TikTok. It is an AI ad creation generator, image generator, video generator. And it was released in February 2026. The API was delayed until earlier this month. It was only just released into Higgsfield a few weeks ago. So I've been playing around with it. And the cool thing about it, it has multimodal input, which means it can take text, images, audio, and visual. So you can give it like reference images. So a background image, you can give it 2 character images and say, hold these characters consistent. You can give it an audio file from 11 Labs or a recording of your own voice and then make it hold that voice through the whole scene generation. And you can give it prompts. I'm going to show you how to prompt it really easily and simply to get the outcome you want. So yeah, you can take up to 12 files. So you can give it a lot of information for context. Now, here's the game changer for me, I think, is the native audio generation. So audio is created alongside the video in a very precise lip sync. So you can barely tell it's AI. It's one of the best I've ever seen at talking head videos. Character consistency is fantastic. So whether it's facial features, clothing details, or overall visual style, it maintains high uniformity throughout the clip. So I'm going to show you how to do that. But just quickly, as always, guys, if you're looking to get help with your lead gen paper lead agency, we've got people in my community generating nice wins at the moment. Garrett's running a debt offer, making a couple $100 a day profit. Shannon is generating his first B2B business loan leads and getting sales conversations. Shay's just got his first personal injury law firm lead. I'm sharing what's working for me in great detail, so you can create your own winning ads. And Krish has scaled up to actually 25K a month now in his 3rd month. So jumping right in, how do we create these video ads like I showed you at the start with Higgsfield? So basically, I always start with my ad creation or my concept. I like to use ad spy tools to identify what's working in the market right now. And my preferred tool is Pippy Ads. So I jump into Pippy Ads and I'm looking for, I like to look across different verticals. I'm in auto finance, but I might look at auto insurance regularly, or I'll look at health insurance and other finance verticals and see what's crushing there. The other day I came in and looked at auto insurance and I ranked the ads by engagement. So I want to see ads that have lots of likes and shares and comments. These are generally the best performing ads. And if we search for our keyword here, I saw this ad pop up, which I thought was good. So it's an organic interview style ad. Guy walks up to this guy in a nice car and asks him how he affords his auto insurance. So I thought, well, this can easily be transferred across to car finance, right? You can ask someone how they afford to pay for their car loan, where they went, and how they save money. So that's where I got this concept from. So what we need to do next is take a reference image. So I took a screenshot of this guy. Actually, what I also did was take a Loom recording of this video scene because I like the script, actually. I wanted to emulate the script. So rather than doing it the hard way, I just recorded the script, went over to my Claude project and asked it to recreate that exact script, but for my brand and my vertical, right? So I show you guys how to create a master marketing intelligence document that talks about your vertical, your industry, your prospects. So AI has full context on this stuff. So then when we ask it to make scripts or video concepts, it's doing it for the right avatar, right? I also got a street interview script skill that I've created in Claude, and that knows how to create really good scripts for street interview style videos. So using all of that, I got it to create a script, and I use that in my prompt, right? Okay, here it is. I pasted that script from Loom. I asked it to rewrite it and adapt it for my vertical, and it was able to do that. And so I've got this here for you. I'll paste it below this video if you want to take a look. But then basically we need to get this into Higgsfield so Seedance can make videos. Now, one caveat is Seedance can only do 15-second videos at a time. So you cannot film the whole thing at once. You can only do 15 seconds at a time. So here's the initial output.
Mate, what are you paying on your car loan right now? I'm on like $540 a month, I think.
So pretty good. That was on the very first prompt. And so what I did was break down this script. You see the script here. So you can break it down into sort of 4 sentences. So if like the interviewer asks one question and the responder asks and answers, generally you can fit about 4 sentences of back and forth conversation in one 15-second script. Otherwise it will cut it off, or it will try and condense too much text into one generation. In here, there's also Seedance 2.0 fast mode. I find that uses less credits and the results aren't too bad either. So you may want to use that. But then essentially I just took like this part, for example. And so what I did, you can select the reference images. So what I did is I went to Nano Banana and took a screenshot of the other ad and asked it to generate a clean image of our guy in the car with the sunglasses. And then I use that as the reference image that I select. And then here in the prompt, I just put interviewer says in Australian accent, mate, what are you paying on your car loan right now? Guy in the car in Australian accent, I'm on like $540 a month, I think. Interviewer says, I was paying $820 a month for mine for years. Guy in the car says, wait, seriously. So that's the amount of dialogue you can fit into one prompt generation. So make sure you try and keep it to about the right length. Okay. So once you've done that, I think it took me 1, 2, 3 video generations to get the whole script out.
It's this free website. Basically, it makes 30 lenders compete for your car loan. You fill in the car you want, the loan amount, your income, all that stuff.
Well, that was the last of the 3 videos. And then I went to CapCut. Went over to CapCut and uploaded my 3 15-second videos. So from here, it was a simple matter of pasting them in. I cut out any gaps, like edited out any long pauses for effect. And I did a basic text overlay, which you see in a lot of interview style videos where you've got, a quick summation of what the hook is or what they get if they stick around and watch. Because people's brains process words quicker than video. So if you can give them a quick snippet into what they're going to see or get, I find this helps watch rate and conversion rate. And yeah, basically that's it. Added some captions and it's done. It only took me like 20 minutes and this ad's been converting really well. So this works well with street interview style ads, podcast style ads, things like that are converting really, really well and easy to make. So I'm probably not going to use ARC ads as much as I was. Going to downgrade my subscription and lean more into Higgsfield and Seedance 2.0. So in summary, this is the basic workflow. So you're going to want to find your winning ads over in an ad spy tool like Pippi Ads. FYI, you can get access to this in my paid school community, Paper Lead Nation Pro, links down below. But Essentially, once you find winning ads from other verticals, you can record a quick Loom video of the script and then copy that transcript and paste it into Claude in your Master Marketing Intelligence file alongside it and get it to recreate one for your vertical. And then you've got your script. And then essentially you next need a reference image. So go over to Nana Banana or Higgsfield and create a reference image of your character or scene. You can reference 1 to 2, 3 characters and scenes and upload them into Seedance and have it stay consistent. And then once you've got that, you just paste your dialogue into 15-second clips, roughly 4 lines of text, and then generate the 3 to 4 15-second scenes, which is the max limit of Seedance output. And then just paste these together in CapCut. Add a text overlay, captions, and away you go. You should have a high converting ad that looks really real. A lot of people can still tell it's AI. We're getting a lot of comments in the ad saying this is AI, but still, hey, those are the social media ads that work, is when people comment, and we've had quite a few shares as well on those ads. So try it out for yourself. I'm sure you'll be very impressed with the results. As always, if you want more help with this, access to my Spy competitor tools, access to Higgsfield is actually available in my paid school community. So if you want help with any of this stuff, look forward to seeing you in there. If not, I'll see you in the next video.